Hello everyone and welcome to the course of the best guide for time management. In this video we'll be talking about how to make a bullet journal yourself. You must always remember that you can always make your own design and your own notebook of bullet journal, but here we'll show the backbone of each bullet journal. First, you should write the key and index page, which will be a guide to where you can find everything in your bullet journal. Here you can make an icon for each item, like an item for tasks, events, appointments, and deadlines, and the status of each one of them as cancelled, on hold, pending, or completed. On the other side you can write the content, or the index. You can expand it as you add more pages. You can put, for example, the future log, daily table, level to life, and wish list, habit tracker, or mood tracker, and much other ideas that you would add while you are mindstorming. Remember that the idea behind this notebook is to put all of your ideas within one place, and just don't think anymore about them. Starting with your daily log. This is the area that you will put in it the things that you would like to do in each day of your week. Next comes the monthly log, where you are going to write the month, for example January on the top, and write downwards all the days and dates within that month, and put in this section whatever you want to achieve in this month, and events or appointments that you do not want to miss them. And write to the side of that log the goals that you want to achieve in this month. This is like a big picture for each month. Next comes the future log. This is a big view of the year. Here you can make small calendars of each month and write in this section the birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, and other special and important dates and occasions that you do not want to miss. The amazing thing about bullet journaling is what you can write in this notebook is limitless. And here we provide you with a group of collection ideas to use. For example, in health-wise, you can use weight tracker, healthy meal ideas, mood tracker, bad habit tracker. For example, on money-wise, you can put and track your monthly budget, saving plan, expenses, bill payment. Other ideas can be kind of fun, for example, reading books, or watching movies, or traveling plans. You can also include your organization of your daily life, for example like family and friend contact information and important dates. And another important part of the bullet journal is to make signifiers, or in other words, keys. Here you can use special symbols for each action you make during your bullet journal tracking. You should mark your major events in life, and also mark delayed or moved tasks, and mark the notes that you would write, and never forget to mark your priority. Next, I will be showing you some examples of real-life made bullet journals. I hope that you can get some inspirations from the following examples. Thanks for watching. That was all for today. See you next time.